Imagine this. You're trying to enjoy a peaceful walk, but your feet feel like they're on fire. No, not the "I just ran a marathon" kind of burn, but the "my nerves are throwing a party and I wasn't invited" type. Sound familiar? If it does, buckle up because you're in for a ride that might just change how you think about nerve pain forever. First things first, let's tackle this nerve pain monster head-on. Did you know that peripheral neuropathy isn't just about tingling or numbness? It's a symphony of mixed signals where your nerves decide to go rogue, sending pain when there's none or ignoring danger when it's present. Imagine a firefighter showing up at a birthday party with a hose. It's confusing, inconvenient, and sometimes downright destructive. But here's the kicker: not all nerve pain is created equal, and not all solutions come in a pill bottle. So what if I told you there are simple, science-backed remedies you can try at home? Before you roll your eyes thinking, here comes another boring list. Let me assure you this isn't one of those monotonous drink water and hope for the best deals. Now, let's talk about the surprising underdog in nerve pain relief, capsaicin. Yes, that fiery compound in chili peppers can actually help soothe your pain. Think of it as fighting fire with fire, literally. When applied topically, capsaicin reduces a chemical called substance P, which is responsible for transmitting pain signals to your brain. It's like turning down the volume on a nerve pain concert that's way too loud. Next up, let's shine a spotlight on stretching and yoga. Oh great, you might say, another plug for yoga. But hear me out. Targeted stretches can improve blood flow to your extremities, which is crucial for nerve health. Picture your nerves as roads. Proper blood flow is the traffic police ensuring everything runs smoothly. Without it, you get congestion, and nobody likes that. And what about nutrition? Ever heard the saying, "You are what you eat"? Well, your nerves are screaming for B vitamins, particularly bone, Zinc, and B12. These are like the repair crew for damaged nerve linings. Throw in some omega-3 fatty acids from fish or flaxseed, and you've got a recipe for nerve regeneration that's as good as grandma's chicken soup, only healthier. But wait, there's more. Have you ever considered mindfulness meditation? I know, it sounds a little zen and the art of motorcycle maintenance, but studies show that reducing stress can actually lower your perception of pain. It's like giving your brain a software update to process pain differently. Now, let's not forget hydration. I get it. Water isn't the most exciting drink on the planet, but staying hydrated can significantly improve your nerve function. Think of your body as a sponge. When it's dry, it's stiff and brittle. But when it's hydrated, it's flexible and functional. Before we wrap this up, remember that consistency is key. You can't slap on some capsaicin cream, do one yoga stretch, eat a handful of almonds, and expect a miracle. Healing your nerves is a marathon, not a sprint. So, if your feet have been crying out for relief, it's time to take action. Try these remedies, mix and match, and see what works for you. And hey, if you found this helpful, why not give this video a like? Trust me, your nerves will thank you. And don't stop here. Check out my other videos packed with practical tips and insights to help you live pain-free. Because let's face it, life's too short to be sidelined by nerve pain. See you in the next one.